Hello and welcome to this week's Table Talk. I'm Sophie.
I'm Amy, and this week we are here to reveal Kit 2.0. We have been thinking about the product vision, how do we work within the tech constraints that we discovered recently, and so we are here to unveil Journal with Kit, to be demonstrated just now.
Alexa, open Journal with Kit.
I've a cuppa in hand, so I'm all ears. What's up?
I just wanted to check in about my day.
Let's chat about our days. On a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is a goodie and 1 is a baddie, how was your day?
9.
Glad to hear it. If I described my day, it would be boring, with a splash of fantastic. How would you describe yours?
Brilliant, because the sun's out.
Tell me a bit more. What was the best bit of today, the 3rd of May? Any good chats?
I had a great catch-up with Barry.
And was there something else? Was there anything that didn't quite go to plan? Any crosswords?
Well, my boiler is broken again.
Before we say goodbye, are you burning to share anything else about today?
No thanks, Kit.
Thanks for sharing. You leave that all with me now. Kit out.
As you can see from that wonderful demonstration by the lovely Sophie Heptidge, Kit is ready to roll, ready to chat, ready to listen. And what we're doing now is taking that into 10 families' homes, and we're going to learn a lot from what they say, what they do, how they react over a 2-week period.
We're really excited to get some feedback from them, and we can't wait to build off of what they say and what they experience when they start journaling with Kit.
If you'd like to become one of our test families, please contact us on hello@projectkitchentable.io.
Lovely to speak to you again. Bye.